Yo guys, let's do some hybrid trap today. So, what is hybrid trap? It's an hybrid of two genres. First is trap or hip-hop and second is dubstep. So then, Step 1, set your tempo to 145 BPM and get your thick-ass drums. Step 2, add heavy saturated 808 bass. Step 3, get your basses, if you are a beginner, so you can use samples. I am pretty lazy, so I would like to take some samples and post-process them. There's no shame in using sample. Step 4, add some atmospheric pads and elements. Step 5, add some build-up drums. Step 6, add some FXs to create some tension. Step 7, add some pre-drop fills with some bass fills. Step 8, get your bass with low pass on your build-up, to tease drop. Step 9, add some brass shots on your drop to make it more heavier. Step 10, add some fill between your drop. Mix them all together and here is the final result.